In this video, I will show you how to send money from Remitly to Nepal. So first go and open up the Remitly app, then click Manage in the bottom right, and here make sure it's set to Sending to Nepal. If it isn't, just click on the drop down, here search for Nepal and click on it. Now next, go and click on Send in the bottom, then here click on Send to New Recipient. Then here choose how much you would like to send, for example I'll say 75 euros. Then click on Continue. Now here you can choose the delivery method, so this is how the recipient will get the money. For example, I'll go with mobile money. Then here select which mobile wallet they use. I'll go with a Seba. Then here enter their first, middle and last name. Then next up enter their mobile phone number. Now if you picked a different delivery method, then you may need to enter some different details. But for a mobile wallet, usually it will just be the name and phone number. Then choose how you would like to pay for the transfer. For example, I will pay with Ideal. And then here you will see all the details, so make sure this is correct. And if it is, go and click on Confirm Transfer in the bottom and pay for it. And then once you pay for it, it will be on its way to your recipient in Nepal. So now you know how to send money from Remitly to Nepal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.